Let's take a look at another game, which will be between Asante Kotoko and 11 Wonders. Asante Kotoko lies first on the league log with 9 points, and they have scored 6 goals and conceded just a goal. 11 Wonders lies 12 on the league log with 2 points, and they have not scored a goal this season. You are surprised, right? But they have conceded just a goal. So what it means is that out of the 3 matches they have played 2 draws and they have lost 1. Let's take a closer look at the head-to-head between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and 11 Wonders. There has been a total of 8 matches played, with Asante Kotoko recording 5 victories, and 3 of the rest of the matches has been draw. 11 Wonders are winless in this fixture. Out of the 8 matches played, only 2 games have recorded goals over 2.5. In this view, we are predicting 2-0 in favor of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Alright, the third game that we would want to consider is between Ashanti Gold and Accra Hearts of Oak. Ashanti Gold lies 9th on the league log with a 4 point. They have scored 2 goals and conceded 3 goals, whereas Accra Hearts of Oak lies 11th on the league log with 3 points, and in the process they have scored 2 goals and they have conceded 2 goals. Let's take a closer look at the head-to-head between these two sides. There have been a total of 26 matches played since 2006 between these two sides, with Ashanti Gold winning 10 of those encounters, 2 Accra Hearts of Oak 7 wins, and a whopping 13 draws has been recorded in this fixture. Since 2006, this game has the most drawn game recorded. Accra Hearts of Oak are winless against Ashanti Gold in the last 5 matches played. The last time they recorded a win was in 2017. However, Ashanti Gold were victors in the same fixture last season. But this season, we believe that Accra Hearts of Oak will have their first win recorded, and they are going to win this fixture by 2-1. We can't forget the Western Derby. Yes, it is the Western Derby between Mediama SC and Karela United. Mediama lies 13th on the league log with 2 points, and they have scored a goal and they have conceded a whopping 5 goals. Karela lies 6th on the league log with 5 points. They have scored 4 goals and they have conceded 3 goals. Let's take a closer look at the head-to-head between Mediama and Karela United. There has been a total of 4 matches played, with Mediama recording 2 wins and Karela recording just a win, and 1 other game has ended in a draw. Now, there are things to note in this game. No away side has ever recorded a win in this fixture. Out of the 4 matches played, 2 games has ended with a goal under 1.5, and 2 other games has also ended with a goal over 1.5. In view of this, we are predicting 1-0 win for Mediama. The next game we want to consider is between Elmina Sharks and Bebiani Gold Stars. Elmina Sharks lie 17th on the league log with a point, and they have scored 2 goals and conceded 6 goals. Bebiani Gold Stars lies 8th on the league log with 4 points. They have scored 2 goals and conceded 2 goals. Now, however, there is no Premier League fixture that has been played between these two sides. But there are certain things we can note. Bebiani Gold Stars has only failed to score only in 1 of the games they have played. That is the 3 games that they have played. In view of this, we believe they will score. But at the end of the day, Elmina Sharks will win the game by 2-1. The next game we want to take a closer look at is Great Olympics versus Dreams FC. Great Olympics lies 3rd on the league log with 7 points. They have scored a total goals of 5 and they have conceded 2. Dreams FC lies 5th on the league log with 6 points, and they have scored 7 goals and conceded 5 goals. Now let's look at the head-to-head between the two sides. There has been a total of 2 matches played between Great Olympics and Dreams FC, with Great Olympics winning all the 2 games. There has none ended in a draw, and Dreams FC has not also recorded a victory against Great Olympics. In view of this, we believe that Great Olympics will continue their fine steadied form and record a victory by 2-0 in this fixture. Wafa and Legon Cities will be the next game we want to consider. Wafa lies 16th on the league log with a point, and they have scored just a goal and conceded 4 goals. Whereas Legon City lies 7th on the league log with 4 points. They have scored 3 goals and conceded 3 goals. With the head-to-head, there has been a total of 10 games played, with Wafa winning 4 of those encounters to Legon City's 3 wins, and 3 of the rest of the encounters has ended in a draw. Wafa has never dropped a point against Legon Cities at home. In view of that, we believe that Wafa will go a long way to record a win in this fixture. The next game we want to consider is Aduana Stars versus Real Tamale United. Aduana Stars lies 14th on the league log with 2 points, and they have scored 3 goals and conceded 5. RTU lies 10th on the league log with 4 points. They have scored 5 and conceded 4. Now, taking a closer look at the head-to-head between the two sides, there has been a total of 6 matches played between these two sides, with Aduana recording 3 victories, whereas RTU can boast of just a single victory, and 2 has ended in a draw. Aduana Stars has never dropped a point against RTU at home. With that in mind, we believe that Aduana Stars will go a long way to win this game by a goal to 0. The final match we are considering in this game week will be between Accra Lions and Bechem United. Accra Lions lies 18th on the league log with a point. They have scored 3 goals and conceded 7. Bechem United lies 4th on the league log with 6 points. They have scored 6 goals and conceded 2. There is no head-to-head between these two sides because Accra Lions were promoted to the league this season. But with they are struggling in this season, we believe that Bechem United can actually get a draw in this fixture, and this game will end 1-1. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media handles at Hit the Net Show. Thank you for watching.